All right, got that Stingray all ready to roll, man. So you ready to grab some gears in that thing, enjoy that little small block?
I thought you were gonna drive that thing.
No, man, I'm gonna drive your Mustang, bro.
Well, I just got that pedal commander in there. I was gonna drive the Mustang.
Look, you got a couple bolt-ons on this thing, so I've not gotten to drive it in a while, so you drive a Stingray, it fits. Look, you have hair on your head. It's a convertible. You know, the wind in your hair, you know that feeling, I don't. So I'll drive this.
This one's faster.
Yeah, that's exactly why I'm driving it, so
All right.
enjoy. All right.
I'm gonna put it in burnout mode for you.
Yeah, well, you got too much tread on them tires, that's why I'm driving. Show you what's up, man. What the?
You all right in there?
Dude, this thing's jacked. You can mess that thing up. You
Man, it's running fine.
Whatever, fix it. I'll drive this one, bro.
Too much technology,
I'm done
that's what
fixing
it
stuff
is.
today.
You don't know how to use it.
I'm done fixing stuff today. Fix it.
Speaking of technology, what's awesome is the new pedal commander. It now has an anti-theft feature on it. So basically you can fire the engine up, but you can't do anything with the pedal. You can't go anywhere. It's pretty awesome. All right, I'm gonna go take it for a spin because it's got 36 different modes. I wanna try it out, and it's all about unleashing the horsepower that's already there to your foot. Come on. All right, I got my new Mustang out, enjoying the brand new pedal commander. I got 36 different modes. I can put it in eco mode, I can squeeze out more fuel, or I can put it in performance mode and get those tires ripping. Get that throttle response way up. It's pretty awesome. Now, what Willie was experiencing is this brand new feature, the anti-theft. It's a really inexpensive subscription-based, but you can turn off your pedal. If somebody wants to go steal your car and they get it to fire up and run, that's great. But when they hit the pedal, nothing happens, just idling. So your car is pretty much just stuck there. That's great because you can do it by your controller, you can do it by your phone. You can set up any mode you want, any kind of driving, and as you walk away, you hit your anti-theft, man, you got that reassurance.